Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Aradhya Saini. The topic for today's presentation is variables and operators in Python. So we begin with variables. Variables are like containers. What do you mean by containers? For instance, we have containers in the kitchen. Okay, so one container can have rice, one container can have flour in it, one container can have oil in it. So these are different content of the containers. Similarly, when we talk about variables as containers, we have different types of variables. For instance, we have a equal to 1. So this is a variable and it is written, this is a container. So it is written as, this variable is written as the data type to be numeric. Another variable that we can have is true or false. So B becomes another container. And the content or the data type for this container is Boolean. Now we can have another containers. Another container can have string data type. Okay. So this is string. So here we can see A, B, C are variables and A has 1 as its content, B has true or false as its content and C has string as its content. So these are different containers or these are different data types and we denote them through different variables. Now for instance, we want to talk about how we use them in Python. So beginning with the first example, say for instance we want to write a string, hello world. That is the basic example that we want to write. So this is a string. So we're going to assign it to a variable. Say for instance, string, this is a container. This is a variable. And we are going to say print str in Python. So this is how it is going to print hello world in Python. Next, we move on to the operators. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. So as we can see, A, B, C are variables and 1, 2 and false and string are the values. So in case of operators, we have arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators include add plus, minus, division, multiplication. Then we have assignment operators. Assignment operators can have equal to. Assignment operators can have equal to. For instance, then we have bitwise operators. And then we have logical operators. So these are some of the operators that we consider. These are simple as we can see in global paths. Now for instance, if you want to take an example between variables and operators, say you have y equal to a plus b. So initially we have a equal to 1 and b equal to 2. So these are two variables a and b and this is the operator. So in Python also, we very normally use 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Say for instance, you want to consider a logical operator or a bitwise operator. So say for instance we have a equal to 3 and we have b equal to 4. Now we have y equal to a not equal to d. So here we have a comparison operator which denotes if a not equal to b, this is going to return a boolean value. So obviously a is not equal to b, so this is going to return false. False is any value other than true is any false. So we consider this to be the output for y. So y is also a variable and it is returning a boolean y. Okay, thank you.